We are queued up. We have sound speed. Transmitters? We don't need no stinking transmitters. Hello and welcome to Mad Dog's Messy Desk. Today we're going to do a test of a product by the name of Ocean Solutions. It's not necessarily a fertilizer, however it does say a nutrient in the label, so I'm sort of treating it as such, although maybe it isn't. Let me read to you what it says here on the front cover of this bottle. Ocean Solutions, nature's balanced nutrients. A solution to successful sea energy agriculture. Okay. Studies show that ocean water contains approximately 90 elements in the proportions created by nature, plus aerobic bacteria. Ocean Solutions is a plant and seed nutrient consisting of clean ocean water, which has been concentrated utilizing proprietary technology. Okay. Source: 100% deep sea ocean water, concentrated without additives or preservatives. How to prepare the mix: 1 part Ocean Solutions to 100 parts source water. When irrigating on clay or hard soil, as the soil retains the nutrients for an extended period of time, do not apply more than once or twice a year. I'm assuming that means if you've got really hard soil. Which in the test here, we just simply use potting soil, so I don't consider it a hard soil. And then it says, caution, keep out of the reach of children, not to be taken internally. If ingested, drink water and consult a physician for further directions. And that's it. And this is supplied by Ocean Grown LLC, P.O. Box 20604, Sarasota, Florida, 34276-3604. And they have a website. It's www.oceangrown.com. Well, okay, that's what this little test is all about. And we're going to be moving on to the next picture here that I'm going to show here. And this is how the plants originally purchased the plants for the experiment. And the next picture is how they were all potted. For the most part, identical pots, identical potting soil. And this is when they were first planted. And the next photo is about 6-7 days afterwards. And the next one, another probably 2.5 weeks after planting. And the final one here, at least for this initial part of the experiment, on about 4 weeks, maybe 4.5 weeks. Hello all. At this point in the experiment, I'd like to point out a few things that I have noticed. Starting with the tomatoes. The row 1, which is on the left, and middle, and then to the right. Row 1 is planted, all have the same potting soil, and row 1 has been watered with just water. Row 2 has been watered with the experimental fertilizer, Ocean Solution, and then the row on the right has been fertilized with my concoction of Miracle-Gro along with some Super Thrive. And at this point in the experiment, a number of things are noted. Looking back at the tomatoes, here's the one with water, and here's the one with Ocean Solution. And there's minor differences. The Ocean Solutions is maybe a little bit bigger, but not by much. Both are similar in color, but moving over to the one with the Miracle-Gro and Super Thrive, it is considerably bigger and considerably greener. Moving on to the geraniums, not a whole lot of difference in the water and the Ocean Solution size-wise, and there's not a whole lot of difference in size-wise with Miracle-Gro, a little bit. However, there is a great difference in the depth of the green color in the leaves versus this and this. Now, one final note that I've found so far, let's look at the marigolds here. Size difference, maybe a little on the Miracle-Gro, a little bushier, a little bigger. But one thing I did notice, look at the flowers. Flowers on the water, fertilized with the water, fertilized with the Ocean Solutions, and then fertilized with my concoction of Miracle-Gro and Super Thrive. Look at the flower. Look how perfect these flowers are versus these. Quite a difference.